2 months ago, I bought this lot, very large lot of engines. As you can see, there are a lot of engines that are very expensive, like Proteus, James Goes Bus, Bertram, Flip Face Talking James. There is Ned in the back, if you can see it. Ned is one of the engines that are expensive. There's also a small group of models like the construction crew. There is Kevin, Flora, Peter, Sam, Lady. Those engines are getting a little pricey at the moment on eBay. There is Hector. As you can see, there is Byron in the back, Kelly. Yeah, it was a really nice lot. But let me tell you guys, the seller did not send me the lot. Unfortunately, he canceled my order. But anyways, it was a good buy. Well, anyways, he decided not to ship the models. There's Ned in the back right there. And one thing that I found on the lot also, there's Bertram. And what's the other one? Let me see. Duke. Yeah, I forgot the name. See, I already forgot. There's Rusty, not a good engine. I mean, it's very cheap. Rusty is very cheap. Emily also, they're cheap. I think most of these are Tommy models. Now, Ned, as you can see on the left side, there is the cargo for Ned. The one comes with the on the set. That's right there. There's Patrick in the back. On the side of the cargo, behind the dock. Yeah, really nice lot. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it. The seller put it back after I paid for the listing. He canceled my order and he put it for $500, and then he canceled and removed the listing too. Anyways, fortunately, I lost it. I bought it, but he didn't ship it. What do you guys think?